Okongwu Dibia. Okongwu Dibia. Onye ọrịa infection na ha akpagbu. Get your ass in here. Okongwu Dibia. Onye a na-akpọ n'ike. Onye ya na J Park gara Ghana. Ga collect ya woto n'otule. Come on, get in here, sister. Come on, be here, sister. Get your ass in here, sister. Emma, you, Ebonila's son, J Pipe, and Governor Onyoshi, all of you that are always crying, oh, get your page is dead. Oh, get your page is not very actual. You guys will grow the page. I want to get meme. I want to get revive for the dead page. I don't know why you guys keep crying. You useless miri will make this page to be activated. Whether it will 200 person, 300 watch you, whether me 400. I don't. It's none of my business. Okongwu Dibia. Awu mwoki begina granike. Merije para aqua mugena kayana da bokro. Guys, please. I'm not son of you gauge that voice notes. Onye se Jesus we potare because any dream that voice notes. You want to go? Kunu jiga dig this video out. You want to go? Look at a useless man. When they go put on the word, then they pour you buga do she kidnap you. You later plan and kidnap your brother. You want to go? That plan and kidnap one nigga okay. Who is the people calling me now? Like a basic picture. Hello? Hello? Can I block on that because hold on, where am I come to West Fondala? I'm not Abba. I don't have time. Hello? Well, I did how far? And when enemies? But there was all the what should remain now? Huh? Hello, sorry, no. I want you to come from. But I'm a man, Jackery. In more time, the sheep wouldn't get we had the house about equal gauge. So I'm not now. I was at a bow. Okay, now your brother. I say, okay, now you. I for opinion again. So make una know first. Make una call this bien Okongwu Dibia. You know go mona ya na like here. Onye like akola YouTube. Je follow Okongwu Dibia. Okongwu Dibia wo onye oshi. Make una no go. Who go anything no more ga call about me. And Okongwu ana ma report to na YouTube ka na nwa. You know teach a build guy yo jokwa. And Facebook e wedo yem ana ma tari pa yi and the YouTube wa tari egi ke ga gala. Inwa kwa nga buru my video. Jokwa people ana me atakwa YouTube are the worst. Are the worst. So you know kwa ashine na aga ma tari kwa 1 2 3 followers. Ima na ona take time to build followers on YouTube. Jokwa ajujum very well. Aga ma tari pegi. Okwa mtari egi ga pota beti wempu anako me ebere. So kwa kama ke pe kwa na Facebook aka mo na ge no wa. Jokwa people aga gbogbo ga repam bad na YouTube. Bad. Don't ever try me in that side. No. Okongwu Dibia. Now listen to me. Before you was born, okay, channel on Facebook. But Adam happy now. Gio, Ebony son, ex-convict, wear belly face, and all of you, all want to get help. Nje build this my page. This my dead 1 million point something page. I want to get help mo. No na go help me because so him saga mo no go end. You want to go? Be Okongwu Dibia come here. You know, I wanted to talk about him in Ghana. Thank you that a lot of people brought it out. So a lot of people call me okay, waja bikonu. Ma can waja ma. I will not add waja again. Because mamo and they did not watch me here when them get disrespect. Now waja have omitted you. Now Okongwu Dibia and DJ Pipe come here. Can you no garagana game? Ezobi potara. Woni na ogintu. J Park na ejigo dim record okay. Ejigo dim apago dim all the information. J Park na aka. J Park am go di I don't know what a J Park or feel that I'm a new person. Oji were security ntenine. Amam club all these big man you listed in a Ghana gay club Ghana okay. Do I know them? All these rich men on Facebook na gadane in a point onye nka na meet in a club. I go begin the call, but come Zurugadi can I come respect go the people that called me. Argue one MC. Argue one hamage. So Okongwu Dibia. Ina gitana wokenike according to Ndema Datena Anagodi because I didn't even put you on this list. Oh, one negi woke igaga plan ya gena J Park. I got kidnapped warrior. I got kidnapped onye is Jesus. Igaga plan you su de kage. An idiot to de kage. It's always English gaga drama primary school ya correct yage. Iti di kage. Woshi de kage prala audio amam even audio brina jo chaka de kebuma. Ekwa muga na da boko. A very hopeless man itenaka woman. Do you think you're a kid? Itenaka woman. Eh? Ndebanya nine ibu na-egwu wayo na scam ha orube mgbe eji lock gị up. It's not about time I get lock gị up. Look at how stupid Okongwu bia get on with you. Come and listen to yourself. Amanam she J Park jiri amu scatter inside that. Oh, no wonder you're coming to defend him. No wonder the truth. Oh, because gadi giere no that one. One name working co kidnap or onye is Jesus. Gadi gere no that one. Up on a phone, but people, all these no followers are an warrior. All these women in Abina, but they don't know say warrior that you can never cure. That's a quackana like this. They don't know. Haman or 1 and 1 a kine dinner. Oh, don't worry, Okongwu Dibia. Sagamona give everlasting. Hey, you know, say I say I know they get reaction. Now you go give me reaction. So now so. That's so. Thank you. Thank you all for even thank you for joining the saga. Thank you for coming in. So una go help me. You know. So wait. Guys, bianuno ebe Okongwu Dibia. Ejiri amu kpowa ya otula ya na J Park. I ga akori ihe ahụ mere na that room that day. Osun na again useless set of people. Idiot ewu atoro onye akpoho gị ga-agbapụta. I did not mention your name. Nothing concern you na this saga. I did not mention your name. In a body skibo, ka skibo bia to ash or bia join unu bia to ash. Ke hi jawara skibo wo. Na skibo mara onye je pipe wo onu ya na agbaka diarrhea. Na skibo amara onye je pa onu ya na agbaka diarrhea. So you want skibo to dab into una mess? It took a skibo better or skibo amara onye je pa. I don't even know why you're attacking the boy. You want to go? And what one of you guys equal because he in a company information. Even in Makegi, he made a bit of a common story kogi. A bit of a common story kogi. You want to go? He made a J Park and Agana. A bit of them dish me out. If he believe will not get you, I'm making it. Don't worry when I will start the liquor. Kamana zema no there at present. Mopano kam shire mana. Akwana mato ashe. Akwa don't worry. Ashe. Godogeru anye bo ribe. Una no go live una o. Like agwara mu wagara. Keti gi shima na ya. Man na ya hopa tiga yime for the because I never mentioned any of you. I never mentioned any of you miscreants. I never mentioned you. I was only targeting Onyemuna with a beef. You want to go? Onyemuna with a beef. Onyemuna get susu ye nege 500,000. Get bukuru. Pota. I never mentioned you. I did not mention your name. I did not call you. Hold on, let me block this idiot. Lie. Mele on gula homa na soya. Otilo. Chinga pa chom Kenya commenting the same rubbish all the time. You want to go? Who is not tired of saga? Are you not tired of watching? Can't you exit? Get the fuck out of here. Are you not tired of watching? You stupid old fool. Look at you general. You already watch amo. At my free time after my off day. Girls susunu. You get to talk him one again or woman gigeri. Girls susunu be na watch him. Are you not tired? Why would I get tired? Tell me the reason why I should get tired. When I will my free time, when I remember again, I my mind again. Are you not? Suzuki Shinga for now. Biagreno Okongwu Dibia old soon. Ebana Nagaya no tula. Ejilamu, Igarento, look what he said. Ori pass a faction, beggy. Get prior to the only go to the jeep on Queber along now may go today. Come and listen. Oh, soon round. They will tell okay, Chono. Well, I blame on go social media. So in my social media, I'm a whole galaxy. So Kayan Rosian at the same level. You want to go? Then soon round. It's your time at the best. Maybe Facebook when I started Facebook. They will tell me oh, soon. When I even know left and right, they will tell happen. Gene. Be ja di lunch. Don't ga bata m n'obi. You want to go? In a way, ton ebem de ku you. You know that followers. That reaction you go give me. Una never see anything. Una never see anything. That thing where I no get. You ex-convicts. But I'm not so. Here goes unu na bako because the same language call of you now so. When I put a page, the same also all these useless men, a body lost son, ex-convicts, wear benefice, and the obifection namu yana da bokoro Okongwu Dibia. Oh, one hage. Obifection namu yana da bokoro. O jori o brinajo chabi bibuwe. Aboni kabonamu. So you useless, hopeless men. Because the same language call of you now, page nobody watch it. He made a video. How many people? So it's all about and all now I go drag like my Okongwu ama akpa YouTube go. Jokwa je ju ajuju. Aga ma akpa YouTube ki. Anako me pere. Imanke YouTube ji kama YouTube is very hard to build. Aga made. I like in YouTube they know the waste time. Ma aga ma tasu gi jokwa je ju German first lady. Gajo keza haya gajo mortuary bam na gina ana ma erikwa eri anwakola nwashi jeri post oge echide mere orukwa ge the end of you because ahuni ni tara self gain common 500 or 1000 I go destroy you. No try me. You know ba Facebook abia na ge dokwa ya here ebe nga kai ga hishia nga kai ga hishia. Don't try me that side. I'm bad. According to my YouTube, I know they use them. Despite that is monetized, I know I'm not money each way. Some girls, Imana, but I'm a teaching lesson. I'm the wrong person to mess with. The budget you open up Facebook, open up YouTube, go and find out. The manager packing and managing susu. In one tiga any of my picture or my video may wookie. I will call. In fact, I'm not struggling. You are struggling to live. What him Dibia ka bega gabaya. Dibia ka ba. Mande Dibia na ni bega rugo get cho to laga collector. Chineke ga bugono. You old foolish thing. That they put na pieces. Amado haga mabugi ga wuri pa. What I go? Biale him na Ghana. Chineke buku no foolish set of things.
Paragraph pugi sheki akoko na ka mbo yike maloko na your secret e puta ko online
chere apena na see mana J Park ihe ni nam na ku e shokwa ba J Park say when a secret eg about J Pipe and they don't want to come and reveal the secret. So Okongwu Dibia, there is something you know, but because of you are not man enough to man up. Because you are not man enough to man up. War. Because Ogechi is very outspoken. You are manless. What I go? If you are man enough, you guys share with a secret Egypt. But say it. Let the people hear. But you cannot speak. You get on a meeting. A useless content creating of the East. Useless men that get at one place and be talking rubbish. Right? Genting, people genting. Osu, dead meat.
If I know paragraph, pugi sheki akoko na ka mbo yike maloko na your secret e puta ko online na wo sisi like anketa ala.
Okay.
J Park maloko cheta ku ife ja na room J Park akoko na ka wo amako no ife je push room o oko no na fafu.
Okay.
Aba yi na okara je mu. Aba yi kege yi ogo mu.
Okay.
Papa na chere aga akpori gi ike. Anu me na wasi dia pass, na wo ma pampas yi.
Okay.
So the mother ko ge go ti we na go ta mo ni na tele. Akpori go ko gi ike.
Ogo na afia.
Aga mo ni na na obere ko ko ge go na wese ka mo. Abu be go di ko ni je.
Facebook gbokwala maka ebe na nchikwa J Park won maka nsukwu waja amakwa ife je between us ka ngwazi agia because waja we ti deba aru na gini yakwo waja ihe na ekwu onye na copy 24 hours mo na anọrọ na copy ya.
Okay.
Say na waja to enu nwanyị hapụ onye Igbo ya anu mee nke nwana waja ji.
So that means everything that I'm saying is nothing but the truth. Akono na ahụ ya. Akwesioku na ha apụta. So Okongwu Osumramu. So you knew that J Park will yabe akoto somebody. So you knew ke we joku amado ha abaraga he na ineku oga kubuki. So you are only acting under influence of 500,000 naira enyeregi. So the truth is coming out. So the truth is finally, oh, may God bless all of you that have ever believed in me from day one. Okongwu Dibia. Don't worry. I will start letting people know that the same J Park Brabiabamu. Shima Iyahu when they go can always yoku. Ni Borio Brina George chant is the same J Park. Leave yourself. No one break gonna know para. The same fucked up J Park in our okay, is lying. The same idiot one. So him and you so you are aware and everything I said you want to come and me turn the babuki. I'm a neighbor Brina Jocha. Do I know that area Goria or me? Is it not the same idiot to Bebam? She any now. Onyeze could not question your poor. But Onyeze who test neighbor Brina Jocha. Was I there with you now? I'm a anything about you. And I've been such a terrible to the Burugabunas. Eh? Was I there? I'm no test result, okay? I'm a Mihuna Bogaga. So, how did I fucking know that you brought your Brinato Chan? Chineke Mwakwago came very defend the Hema Hishian order. Is he not the change pack? The Bana Kohenine. Leave yourself in a Biego. That you borrow the money, Nick and a Biego. Another who now, the worst thing in them, all these guys are not target. Every night, they got body lawan, you know, him and they not use condom. And I'm there. I'm Kunushi, I don't know. I'm up on the Potaram. Let's go, can I honey? Okay, and can I honey? I'm up on the women. Jepak will pick up a call. Okay, man, I'm not one of them more in an honor. In the can I honey? Bagrang in Oga. And I'm not going to get a honey. She'll give me. What happened? Opa, I could capital. More Koromuna from what they were Baliabaka. I'm the Wabaliabaka. Muna go Gakala before. Muna go on Nokora. How did I know that they were Baliabaka? Iputra now so suki. And I be defend what you know nothing about. I'm a new believe. I'm not. Get what I want. That happen. And that's it. How she go in about an Dibia? No woman show in area. Now show in no na yo. When who shower mo nyewo. Non ki mega gaburo open na Georgia. Nanko nyese plegade no they have. Ni bro open na Georgia. No hola no way show kuna dia way. Was I there? I'm in beji bito hina tabugi ni uku. Was I there? Chide amado hamabu kweki. Oria hipu bukweki. And I be defending him and his shia no dear. Is it not the same way? Oji buru e waja. Now bagashili ni huko jibi na koromo. So him and this idiot who ngala go along papa every minute papa he get adu ya na korobi shina ya no. So you are aware of it. Now waja kama galoni we ya galonya. Was I there? Was I then he inside that room, get a J Park and a church. Because all of you know that he now get in a kuwe just because I will get you. Leni tio to ne utramo, in your person primary school ne utremono. Leni tio to na bari bu infection scatter everywhere. Lena no hane sunyamuna or dick and harry 100,000 get ya. The same J Park Gram that ya nando de kuejoku. Nepo wula up panage 100,000 equal one. Nagina one and a half. They are showing in all parts and him and a Tonda babu kweki. Iberi with the okay chuono. I'm in Gahu no on a live on a useless lifestyle. I'm in Gahu gonna lose. Ya wouldn't make an HIV medication or gamam. I'm doing Gahu. Ija Bishop get I'm making up story. Chinet abado hamabu kwegi. Don't anybody defend the Burugebu nasu. Look at an idiot everybody defend it. Ya to run ga okay, nkapa. Or because that defend do we not to shebe no. Or kwa obrage ko ihe obrage. Ndala. Bunch of hypocritical bastard that knew that all of them are lying to themselves. Because all she get you know na pata. In a igenya fuse Okongwu Dibia, you go give it to me. That reaction, you go give it to me. Because my followers that followed, that have been following me for long, that you record down, onye say Jesus, onye say Jesus, oh my God, me put some things, onye say Jesus, because I know who here. And I'm like a mother now, then to mana boy and because onye say Jesus, then I'm. Sometimes you do call me. So I will not discuss anything until the dog happen. But if I call a JPAC, so please, Ibela across that voice. Only say Jesus play. This idiot. This idiot who bore ya na buya, this hopeless thing na po Okongwu Dibia. Get with Teremia. Can be me pesho wanya. Me pesho wine ni nebu. Give me that's a shower or obu goria. Je warrior again. Go and cure your disease. Mona giga bakwa the wall. Now followers go give me like say no gets. I no get it. Now you not go they give me as you no say the thing they play now. Now so the thing they. So unu machante we joku. All of you knew that you get you we joku, but just because I won, you guys want to suppress me, right? Just because if I won, all of you want to come out. No, okay, to subdue me. Come on, Lela Cheji. Come on, Lela Cheji Muno Kurunaka. Come on, Lela. Come on, everybody will go down. Come on, everything will go down. I will leak everything. Come on, Lela Cheji. But ya no Munu mechi here na this blue app, eh? Una matter how we make different species. Everybody will go down. In fact, all this una rubbish endorsement. People are watching here no susu. This Facebook they will come. Brenum naka. Let us continue on ya. Munu mechi here na this blue app, eh? Everywhere will be burning like fire. Ntala. So all these hopeless men, una ga dala maki him because unu manam na ekwesioku. Unu manam na ekwesioku. In put defend DJ Park as you have never experienced J Park. To will get him na ekwo wa she. In put na lo are ki he ga nwuta. Going, you are just talking out of the flesh of 500,000 enyeregi. Ambado hamabuku egi. Who says you thought you too taller? To talk campaign you here in a pressure here. Oh yeah, Otilo. Unu chori gadazi to shut me. Come on, you Lela Cheji. No pochambi. No pochambi. Unu huna trouble next time. Una dodge. Because I never mentioned your freaking useless name. I never mentioned your hopeless Oreo Brinajo child's life. Okay? I never mentioned you. Abaliabaka. Ashawoni ne makola amuge. Ashawoni ne makola amuge. I never list. So now put in a defending that while you are aware of it, while you have experienced this demon before, and they want to come and challenge because send a go wedding. Let us see. Facebook a lot of names will be listed. Everybody will go to town. So you have experienced the same thing in Pataneku. You have finally confirmed it. Now who do you want to cover? Because it will go under influence of 500,000. Breno Maka. Come on, la Cheji. Onyo shije kidnap one name okay. Na big kunye. Who brought you na this saga? Did I mention your name? Did I call you? Ntala. That any choker. You guys, make with the listen.
Facebook bokwala maka ebe na nchikwa J Park won maka nsukwu. Waja amakwa ife je between us. Ka ngwazi agia because waja we ti daba aru na gene yakwo. Waja ihe na okwu onye na copy 24 hours mo na ya nore na copy. Say na waja che no nwanyị. Hapụ onye Igbo ya anu. Menka wano, waja jikwa menka wano, waja jikwa menka. Awa Okongwu Dibia. Bijuo sonu J Park. God have mercy.
So it aware.
Defending.
So it aware.
If I you paragraph put shaking. So it aware. Can boy it. Maloko na your secret. If you talk online na boss see like anketa ala. J Park maloko Chetapu ife na room. Jepa ke ko na to. Okay. Ama ko mi ife je push mo. Okay. Ko na fast. Okay.
Aba yin na ka la mu.
So bi dey ataboch.
Aba yi ke go you aga body gi. Aba na che aga body gi.
Yes, obi egbuola mo bi ko.
Ana na wa ji dia pass, na wa ma pass e nyara. So na ma de to lo je go ti we na go ta mo le ne tele. Apa ri go to mi ki.
Obo na afia.
Okay.
Facebook gbakwala m aka ebe na nchikwa jee paaki wọnị maka nsukwu waja amakwa ife jee between us.
You don't even have the balls to open mouth. One day maduna jee paaki shiki jahike koragi. You can't even have the audacity to open mouth and talk. You see? But Ogechi, when the guts. When the gods to come and tell the world and you all and you want to gang up as again maga wora munu ni Nigeria keriri as again can najo as you want to shut me up as Ogechi that I'm so you hungry buffoon, you hungry moron in a big rubbish. Eh? Tell the people here in that secret room. That okay, Nagaka, give him a dia. Oh, so there are truth. There is truth. That's what I'm saying. So with the atom of truth in what Ogechi has been saying. I got married. I shouldn't get bomb too much. So excuse me. So una think say una go fit intimidate me again. I don't know if you understand. Can motive unu? Motive unu say una go shut me up or what? Oku ge unu na this blue app. Oku fire. Oga di over. Go and release Onyeze Jesus. Go and release Onyeze Jesus. Nobody is bringing out money. Go and release Onyeze Jesus. Eban hu gina ndo su gina je park planning. I want to need gina na planning. Go back there and release that young man. You are aware of what happened. Emma Akaji, that man, go and release it. Demons everywhere. Diabolically evil. In a big rubbish. Oh, so this is intimidation. Now me and you. It never there was in our water the game. So even experience here, you're even aware that all the this guy again I don't know my kotoge. Akwa waja when you invite na Ghana. Akwa we shibo ya. Akwa we shibo ya. See lokwa on a riri na nke waja still na koto ya. Man akwa exactly what happened. Ndo mention no. Ndo gwaramu people say I can just pick up call and tell me. So it's beginning to make sense now. So it has beginning to make sense now. And you idiot, Okongwu, wagre. So you are aware, so he go that aware that una boss uno tule. Yana giga, him in that secret room. In that secret room that you refuse. That secret thing in that room. Okongwu Dibia. That thing in Oji Komanaga about waja. Cover everybody. Oh, you never knew that. Facebook will never lie. Internet never lie. You don't know? The truth must surely come out. And it does not matter how many people are ganging up. All of them are content creators. Eh? Ex-convict, go for no new criminal, go for no new shi. Emo, J-Park, unyo shop, one Okongwu Dibia, infection to our palm, or bonike. Emo, bleaching cream, a body lost son. Ashimunu, wakra, put a piece, and a pum wine. Potawano, we're gonna come out to Ndala. Bunch of useless men. Una be down be una mahishia no there. Amado hamunune na wopanu nine. Yakopoma kwanu page akopoma aka. Iberi kuhema. So you are aware of what happened. Iberi defending.
Awako ni ife je push you mo. Okono na fa Africa.
Tema no tio.
Agba ike de you ogo aga akpori gi ike.
Idiot.
Abe na chego aga akpori gi ike.
Okay. So information a ruo dila. Ezo opinion tin na wo pampas. Ya de kwaka. Chineke God. Oh my God. Okwa the same person ogbram no bi ori obiri na ajo cha o. Okwa the same idiot. If you listen to Agachi, if you listen to Agachi, Usu, and you're 500,000, and I got here. The good Peggy, and you were trying Peggy if Funu Jemen and them mother or commercial. Because of all the God the Konye will like Mefe. Go and look at yourself from a random. Are you still living? Look at all your national mother. In game on, are you in a fake a breezy? Ya wini na Chicago ena wani win this city. Otu breezy kwe giye brugi ga biga gina moto kubuogi. Dogode ki hine fake opara. Are you still living? Ikadentu. On ashin ndene fake hana deka ha. Abara nini ya hena agoro. In fact every day hana amigo opara. Every day hana amigo opara. Kike shia mwoto nega ama dite iga ngu inside ne shi. Osu. And I bear with them on while all of you mad that everything that Ogechi is saying is nothing but the truth. I will start listening. There are many, remember on age many, but you guys did not believe me. Who is requesting to join? Oh no, Nina Gada because so okay. And you make a meeting. The content creators in Mbemputragunu na hamere meeting. Unechanam togashe. Who can to gash? Mempotragunu, na hammer meeting. All of them will gang up on against Ogechi. Naripam eva radio. Aripam ready. Woto. Everyone in mad drop for one name. Everyone in mad drop for one name. Agama ugite. Tala. Come and share no one so I cannot speak the truth. Come and shut me up. So that Mtuziashi, Ashime Yune, I would never do that. I can't make a look at the with before I'm more dig yourself. Yeah, that one rugged investor go and ask question. In a with Raymond. Like Imakadihi. Are you okay? Imakadihi. Well, in a coiria code, but I get Nikia. It doesn't matter on coiria. I get Jim Coiria who rocket do one. I get Jim Coiria who rocket do one. Idiot. Now just one thing I ask for that I will pay your pack any amount or not. Naga neremi kenya of number one evidence. Number one evidence. And another challenge in the you Okongwu Dibia. Iga galerani or STD test. Iga galerani syphilis. Iga galerani hepatitis B, hepatitis C. Iga galerani gonorrhea. Iga galerani HIV. Iga me all these STD tests. Before you have to go and take gonorrhea because all STDs you have to go and test. That's another challenge I'm giving you. If you make all these tests, I will also provide my doctor. No problem. When I'm doctor in Nigeria, you will go there and run this test. You want to go? If me, I may provide the doctor. Come on, I'm here packing and took it go wash him away. Come on, I'm here wash. You need to provide all these STDs they need. Come on, with the okay, I'm making up stories or I'm lying. How about that? Very, very simple. KJ Paki we Keshia, Kegiwu, all the STDs they need. Bring it on. You have to get tested. Ndamusu, useless set of undelari, bunch of condemned properties. They will throw you. You have to run it. Ownership I'm run, okay, no problem. We are all together in the game. We are all. Are we in the game? Are we in the game? Because I'm at the go ready for anything. No problem. But who brought you in this? Was it, your name was J Pipe? Do I talk to you? Have we have any conversation before? That was the only thing I asked for. And that is the only thing I'm still asking for. I get test. And I get all STD have Chineka Buogono. And I be with Remono.
Send the money for it. You had the money in the achọrọ m uru ya na anya onye nwoke fọbụ ga-ebido merezie ka ọmụmụ eze obi tụrụ chineke.
Facebook gbakwala m aka ebe na njikwa jee paaki wọnị maka nsogbu waja amakwa ife jee between us ka m gwazie gị ya because waja nwere ike idebe arụ na gị na ya kwụ waja ihe na-ekwu okwu onye na-akọpị 24 hours mụ na ya nọrọ na-akọpị ya sị na waja chọrọ ịnụ nwaanyị hapụ onye Igbo ọ ya anụ mee nke nwanụ waja jikwa mee nke nwanụ waja jikwa mee nke a ọkpọgbuo gị di ya rijuo osisi ọrụ jee paaki.
Okay.
God have mercy
Okay.
upon us.
Jee paaki.
Okay.
Ifeanyị ụkpara gara gara pụghị shekili.
Okay.
Ekwekwana ka m pụọ gị ike
Okay.
ọrụkwa na ji your secret ịpụtakwa online na-agbọsisi ile ka
ịhụ na out of hate unu ga-ahụcha eziokwu. All of you, 95% of all of you know that Ogechi, I'm saying the truth. But just because of you hate Ogechi, you don't want to accept the truth. 95% of that everything I'm listing out of J Park where's yoku. Only man where's yoku. But to any them turn on my truth to be lie. Okay, to answer the good person, which I will not. Okay. Aya Otilo Shingafo. When you know here, Mega. Get out of here. Yeah, when they hear not here, Mega first and foremost. Where is that your comment? My block again. It's not bounding you, so you can come back. Now block your destiny. Okay, but that's your useless comment. Where is that idiot? Why am I keep miss? Okay, idiot. Oh yeah. Get the fuck out of here. That is it. What? You want to go? All of you from A to Z, you know. Mother Ogechi is saying nothing but the truth. Mother Ogechi is saying nothing but the truth. But just because she's from Ogechi, and none of you is paying attention with it. But I am not stopping. Oh, I'm gonna make away joke. Am I any? When some people or money, because today the call may receive today. I'm 100. Let me not exaggerate. Yes, people are calling Ogezulu, but this matter. If you back and she names family dia scatter, you know, concern una go home, make una go hold J Park. I am about make una go hold am. Now you tell me. On that note, I'll see you guys later.